Welcome back to Language Essentials. I am still Zachary, and today we're talking about something that is, of course, universal, it being grammar, but it applies, of course, in some languages more than it does in others. Objects. Now, you should expect to see two types of grammatical objects in any language that you encounter. You will have direct objects and indirect objects. The reason that it's so important to be able to identify objects in a sentence is that in your target language, you may need to change the formation of pronouns and other various parts of speech, and sometimes sentences as a whole, based on the object that you are speaking about. Direct objects are things or people in a sentence that are having actions done directly to them. All right? And indirect objects, shocker, are things that are having things done indirectly to them. Take, for example, when I read a book to my son. I read the book. I am directly impacting the object of the book. I am doing this, though, for my son. I am reading the book to my son. My son is indirectly having the book read. Now, in Romance languages, you'll see this more in, like, for example, French is the one that really comes to mind, where being able to identify the object is really helpful, but of course, it does apply in, broadly speaking, in Romance languages. In Germanic languages and other languages where they take grammatical cases, which I have a video on in this Language Essentials series, grammatical cases make it really important to understand what the object and indirect object is. Take, for example, a language like German. If you're applying this example of direct and indirect objects, you're gonna need to use different cases. Like the direct object takes the accusative case, the indirect object takes the dative case in German, for example. And because of that, you're gonna have to change other parts of speech to match those respective cases because you're speaking about different objects. Not to get too far into the weeds, you can go to my grammatical cases video if you want a little bit more information about that. But that's it for objects today. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. I really hope this helps. Let me know if I left anything still pretty unclear. If you have any questions, like if you liked it, subscribe if you want more stuff like this, and let me know if you think I'm missing something. What do you want me to cover next? Thank you for watching as always, and I hope I will see you in the next one.